Why your website needs social media sharing buttons. Are you looking for a simple and effective way to boost your website's online presence? Consider adding social media sharing buttons to your pages. In today's digital age, social media plays a vital role in promoting businesses and engaging with customers. By making it easy for visitors to share your content on their favorite social networks, you can increase your brand's exposure and drive more traffic to your site. In this post, we'll explore the benefits of social media sharing buttons and provide tips on how to use them effectively. Increase social reach. Social media sharing buttons make it easy for visitors to share your content on their social media accounts. By doing so, they expose your content to a wider audience, which can lead to increased brand awareness and new followers. The more people who share your content, the more likely it is to be seen by a larger audience. This can help you attract new customers and increase your website traffic. Improved SEO. Social media shares can also help improve your search engine rankings. When your content is shared on social media platforms, it sends signals to search engines that your content is valuable and relevant. This can lead to increased visibility in search results and higher search engine rankings. Social media shares also help to generate more backlinks to your site, which is another important factor in SEO. Increased engagement. Social media sharing buttons can help to increase engagement on your website. When visitors share your content on their social media accounts, it's often seen by their friends and followers, who may then click through to your site. This can lead to increased page views, longer time spent on your site, and more conversions. By making it easy for visitors to share your content, you're encouraging them to engage with your brand and become advocates for your business. Social proof. Social media shares can also provide social proof for your business. When visitors see that your content has been shared on social media platforms, it can increase their trust in your brand. Social proof is a powerful tool in marketing, as it can help to establish credibility and authority. By adding social media sharing buttons to your website, you're providing visitors with a way to share your content and vouch for your brand. Tips for using social media sharing buttons. To use social media sharing buttons effectively, it's important to place them in prominent locations on your website. Ideally, they should be located near your content, such as at the top or bottom of blog posts. It's also important to choose the right social media platforms to include on your website. You don't want to overwhelm visitors with too many options, so focus on the platforms where your target audience is most active. Finally, make sure that your sharing buttons are visually appealing and easy to use. Social media sharing buttons are a simple yet effective way to increase your website's online presence. By making it easy for visitors to share your content on social media platforms, you can improve your social reach, boost your SEO, increase engagement, provide social proof, and more. If you need help adding social media sharing buttons to your website, contact us at Sausome to learn how we can help you optimize your site for success.